Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags, one owner, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.